Hey cool cats and kittens! This is the unboxing of the Ricoh GR external even, flash GF-2. This works with the Ricoh GR IV. It's not a review, as I said about the unboxing of the GR4 as well. It's not a review, it's going to be a short video. If you're looking for a review, go somewhere else or wait a little bit until I use them and I actually have something to tell you, not just read out some specs. I just want you to see what you get in the box. So, in the box of the GR external flash, you get safety precautions. Can't get safety precautions in Chinese. Why not? And, well, there you go. Surprise, surprise. The flash. I mean, it's great. I like it. It's really small. It's tiny. It's thin. It charges via USB-C there. And you have an on button. And also you press it to test it. I think it looks really good on the GR4. I was actually complaining in the unboxing for this about how flimsy this hot shoe cover is, the plastic one. But look at how nice the flash fits on the camera. It doesn't, the flash is flush. Hey, see what I've done there? It doesn't make it less pocketable. It doesn't make it, because I have a Godox, I think, and that's again a tiny flash, but it sticks out a bit more like this. It's more boxy, but this one is flat, flush, and I think it looks really good and on the camera, and I think it's going to live there for most of the time. The great thing about it, as I said, it's not a review, but just I like it. See how it's on now? Switch the camera off, flash goes off as well. Unfortunately, it doesn't do it the other way around, but hey ho. There you go. So you have to turn it on yourself. And that is the Ricoh GF-2 external flash for the Ricoh GR4. Well, thanks for coming. Love you, bye.